T-shirt brand owners, if you're looking for a super trendy font to use in your designs, look no further. In this video, I'm going to share a font that's super popular right now, and I'm going to show you how you could quickly and easily create a design using this font. I'm also going to show you a really popular design technique that people are using with this font. The font I'm referring to is called Keep On Truckin', and I'm seeing this font used in designs everywhere right now. Let me show you how you can easily create a design like this in just a few steps. First, create a design file in Canva with the text you would like to use. Second, change the font style to Keep On Truckin'. Third, we're going to reduce the line spacing. Fourth, we're going to center the design. We are going to expand it out. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to save it. Next, we're going to download this file as a PNG with a transparent background. Now that we've created our design in Canva, I want to show you how you can make it wavy like this example using Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click the file and I'm going to open that up with Photoshop. Now in Photoshop, with your design selected, we're just going to select Edit. We're going to go to Transform and we're going to select the Warp option. From there, you're going to change the custom dropdown to Wave. And then what you can do is you can actually adjust this. So we're going to adjust this to 30% so it's not so extreme. And voila, there you have it, the design. To save this design to use on your t-shirt, just go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, save it, and you're all done. If you found this valuable, please help me out by liking and commenting to help the algorithm push this out to more t-shirt brand owners, and follow me for more t-shirt brand tips.